Yalla. Bupteba, get him down. Come on, kneel down there. Kneel down there. Thief. Nenem Polanya Guyuri. Animal, vagabond, silly bugger. He want no fear. Get lekage. Get lekasig idiot. I'll kill you. And feed your carcass to the vulture. I'll kill you. I'll quit for you. Messiage. Come on. Hey, see you in my boot. Yeah, sit inside that boot. Stand up. Hey, get it. Get it. Get it. Hey, get it. Get it. Don't let it go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Hey, get it. Hey, sit down there. Hey. Yeah.
I couldn't see him.
Have you guys seen him?
I swear to God, this guy is so lucky.
Have you guys seen him?
No.
I didn't do anything. Why are you talking about that?
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him down!
I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything!
What did he do? Elders! You people should clear.
What did he do? Clear!
What? Boy!
What did he do? Hey!
Get him! Get him! How your boy? Get him! He's an animal! Get him! Get him! Get him down! Yes! Get him down! Beautiful! This is wonderful! Yeah? Take him up! Get him up! Take him up! Get me a cane! Oh yeah, take him up! Carry him!
Please.
What is it?
I just had a terrible dream. It was so real.
It could be as a result of hunger. You know you fell asleep on an empty stomach. Here, food is ready. Eat. Go down to the eat. Let me get you water. Oh?
Dixon Enterprises, Dixon Enterprises, Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry. Now waiting Dixon the be take life now waiting Dixon the leave. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container natao. I'm a full load. Billion.
Your son is back. Mwaga batago. Dickie mwaga batago, mama.
Dixon. You bought another car?
This is another adage to my garage.
Hey! Mama, you are helpful.
The Lord is good.
Hey! God of miracle, you are worthy of my praise.
Yes, you can say that.
So you have lifted a poor boy up to this extent. If you could take it as another.
No. Better because
This is machine, Mama.
eh?
My brother is rich.
Mama. I am going to make you happy.
Hey!
Celebrate with me, Mama.
Dixon.
I'm telling you, Mom. Amadia.
Mama,
Eh?
off it again.
Can tell you, Mama. Amadia. Now, watch I hear you make it that.
Chukwuebuka. Mama, go and call your father. Bang. Mama. Go and call your father. Boss. Yeah, one again.
Mama, meet you, Mom now.
Hey.
Meet you, Mom now. This is the beginning. This is the beginning.
God of miracle, you are my
Let me check.
father.
Huh?
Help!
God, everybody.
What
Take it easy. Take it easy. I'm taking everybody.
Okay? Oh, you even covered the food.
Welcome, Papa.
Papa, welcome.
Aha. Ndode. Ndode, you look troubled. What is the problem? I'm fine.
Oh yeah.
Are you going out so soon?
Mama, not really. I want to go out and I'm coming back immediately. I want to go and see the princess.
Why not come and eat your food? Before you go and come back, it will get cold.
Mama, when I come back, I will eat. I want to go and see Princess Chibogo. She's waiting for me, please. Huh? I won't be long. Coming back immediately.
It's okay. Gasi kwike. Really good joy.
Life now waiting Dixon deliver. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container natao, I'm a full load. Billion, now why for that no? What does he go?
Peter! You need tutorials on mannerism. You know that, right?
I shouted you again. My bad.
For crying out loud, this is a palace.
I know. So, is he here?
Who?
Dixon, of course. He said he's coming this weekend. Is he here?
Oh, well, I have not spoken to him since then.
And you didn't call to check up on him? That's a noble thing to do. Call and check up on him. Know whether he's still coming or not. Call him.
Alright, I'll do that later.
Not later. You're calling him now, please. Take. Call him. Call him now.
Really?
Dig. Okay,
Alpha.
Ty!
How you doing now?
I'm fine, my brother. What can we do? When did you come back?
Not quite long ago.
You see, if I remember how we used to survive in this village, I used to go to look for stones, firewood. It's a perfect. In fact, you're a perfect example that God is wonderful.
Exactly, you're right.
Look at your life.
But you know what? It's okay. Everything will be fine. Okay, just relax. Okay.
But everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Every year to year, I'm saying that. Just look at now.
Anyway, Ndudi, I'm rushing off to the palace to see the princess. Okay, I'll see you when I return.
Okay, I should come to the house.
Yes. Piano no can win yellow go on.
Now one I tap from your grace. I tap from your grace. No. This evening, if I just close from work, I'll come.
It's okay.
Ha! Dicky. What can I baby go? Daddy yo. I'll come. Time. Life.
How can you be listening to people talking anyhow in the village? See, let me tell you, these people in this village, they are jobless. They can tell you anything they like. Don't listen to them. You are too big for it. Listen, let me tell you, I have the royal blood in me.
Sorry. He's here. Dixon? Yes! You know what? He's looking stunning as usual.
Wait. I don't understand what this excitement is all about.
Okay, relax. Can we go see him now? You know it's wrong keeping a gentleman waiting.
After I'm done with the bathroom.
Sweetheart, let's go see him. You don't have to keep him waiting. He came here because of you. Let's go see him. Come, let's go see him.
I thought you would come.
My princess, you know I wouldn't miss this for anything in the world.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I mean, thank you for making out time from your busy schedule to be here. It means a lot.
Your consecration is more important to me. Okay? So how is the preparation going?
Well, so far so good. My father is really bent on doing this for me.
You deserve it and evermore.
You know, sometimes I feel my father is going extra for me. This is huge. I consider it a big sacrifice.
My princess, you deserve everything good.
My princess, food is served.
Okay, thank you. Please, let's go in. I asked them to make your favorite. Let's go.
How are you?
I'm fine, Uncle. Are you going home?
Well, yes, I am going home.
Okay, enter, let me drop you.
Are you going towards my direction?
Yes, Dixon, your son, told me to come.
Dixon?
Yes.
Mom?
Yes.
Is he back?
Yes, Uncle.
Hey! Oh, Dixon is somehow. No, he called you.
Okay.
You keep ignoring my calls and messages. Why?
Rita! Wow.
Well, looking handsome as usual.
Thank you so much.
Rita, you're not looking bad at all.
Of course. And I'm glad you noticed.
Wow.
So, how are you?
As you can see, everything is fine. Good.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see.
You look good. Rita.
What can I do? I always look good.
I hope Rita is not bothering you.
Is he complaining?
You know, she can be a pest.
Not at all. Not at all.
Are you sure?
We're good. We're good.
Okay, let me see you off to the car.
Okay.
See you.
Ndede, are you sure you don't want to fake anything?
No, I'm fine, Uncle.
Okay.
I know. I ate before coming.
Brother, welcome. Where did you say Dixon went to since afternoon?
Oh, he went to the palace to see the princess.
Oh, to the palace.
Yeah. Brother, please, just exercise more patience. I believe he will soon.
No, that's no problem. I'm mobile. I can go anytime. I'll buy a guy now.
Oh, princess.
It's not taking of anything.
Hey, you find American?
Uncle, you see, I love how you follow your family. And I love the fact that you made provisions for all of them.
I don't know, man.
Not unlike, what's the name of this man? Mazibe.
Mazibe.
I heard the man sold his only land remaining. That one at the express to Mazi or Fokansi.
Yeah. Mazibe is a basket of disappointments.
Like?
The most annoying part of it is that this man sold everything he has in a strategic area.
Everything.
In the land.
I pity his children.
And another annoying part of it is that this recent one he sold was just for a piece of cake. Imagine that.
That land at the express.
I said a piece of cake. As if he had never seen money before. He was just fidgeting, and they gave him a tip of the iceberg.
And nothing to show for it.
Nothing.
All those money that he nothing.
I will tell you where he goes. That is where the most of problem lies in some of our, age bracket. If you see them, on a book AIDS. Let me tell you the truth. So don't follow that part. And even
okay.
When you make your money, come home and keep it. Make safe.
Exactly.
Always keep 1/4 of what you earn for yourself in case of tomorrow. That is how I live my life, and I'm profiting from it.
I wish my father's property.
Your father is trying. At least your father is trying. Emilike.
We all did it. Exactly. Just like we are strong. My father did not keep anyone.
But Emilike tried. He tried.
Keep your greetings, Dixon. Where is my car? I'm in your workshop, and my car is nowhere to be found. Yes. Where is my ash-colored Ford? Now listen to me, and listen good. I want you to return my car in the next 48 minutes. I mean 48 minutes. Is that clear? And if I don't see my car in my compound in 48 minutes, you'll be sorry. Stupid idiot. Get off my phone. And you, talk to your friend.
My friend, okay, I'll talk to my friend.
If he does not return my car in 48 minutes.
48 minutes.
Is that clear? 48 minutes, okay. I will close down this workshop.
The workshop is my own.
And I will send all of you to jail.
Hey!
Is that clear?
Jail!
Nonsense.
Hey!
Hey, this is not killing. It's not killing.
Hey, is it a cab to help somebody? Is it a cab to help you? Look at the kind of trouble you have caused me. The other day, today again, Chief, this power is too much. I beg you, please. My wife died. If I go to jail, somebody will go. No, I will not go to jail. I will not go to jail. I want to go to
Now, wow.
Nna.
Mama?
I hope there's no problem in your workshop.
Mama, there is no problem, but I don't know why they cannot handle small and simple issues. Why am I away? I've worked so much for this company. I've worked with all my life. I've put in everything in me in that company. So I don't know why they are just stressing me. Yeah? Just stressing my life.
Dick, stop complaining. It's because you are good at what you do. That is why they are missing your absence. You have to be thankful to God.
Mama, I am.
I
am thankful to God, but Mama, I need my personal life. Yeah, I need to rest too.
That is my son, the CEO, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises. What should we do?
Alpha, did you see Mazuzoka?
Mazuzoka is always on fire. So it will demand my presence to quench the fire. Welcome. The CEO, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises. When I saw this car in the morning,
yes,
or rather the truck, a big truck, my heart was gladdened. I know that you will always make me proud.
Papa,
Dixon.
Papa, you see, you and Mama shouldn't worry yourself. I want you to relax. Yeah? This is just the beginning. I want you to sleep well with your two eyes closed.
Hey, Mechigo, man.
Yeah?
Hey, Mechigo.
Metuni yaka.
Hey!
Very soon. Metunu mom.
Ajofia no.
Because I want you to buy car for me. I want to drive car in this village.
This is a small thing.
It's very soon. This compound will be decorated with different brands of trucks, jeeps, and assorted automobiles. Moto is just singular and plural. Just say motos.
You're right. I feel like converting this place to a river and buy this flying boat.
Hey!
So both of you be using it around this place.
Boat?
Even
if I don't have land, my brother Emenike will go to war. We will extend. Emenike's own is bigger than my own. But then
Dick is sneaky go to 1 million. Ubo.
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, Daddy. And you? How are you today?
Very well, thank you. I'm as strong as ever, you can see.
I can see that. But you got me worried yesterday, Father. You came back very late.
So sorry about it. The tax wasn't an easy one.
Dad, is this really worth it? Putting everything in line, is it worth it?
You really deserve it. When I'm old and frail, you'll be saddled with the responsibility of ruling over this kingdom. No, I won't let this kingship leave this family. Not while I'm alive. I'll do everything to protect it. No one can take it away from us.
I won't disappoint you. It's a promise, Father.
And may the gods of our ancestors protect you, guide you, give you the wisdom to rule over this kingdom. and also to make right choices. Also, make a choice of a man who will be beside you.
Oh, Daddy!
Oh, yes.
Daddy, please.
You start now to think about it.
Dad, stop.
No. This is the time.
Okay. I heard you. So have you had something to eat today?
Well, my usual fruits and vegetables. I'm okay.
But you need to be eating,
The thing is, you're not a stranger in my life, and I believe you know how it is for me. It's not easy. You see this bike I'm riding, it's hire purchase, and sometimes it's even hard for me to pay for the weekly return. So sometimes the bike will even spoil. I'll start looking for money to even fix it. It's not how I'm going to continue.
You see, you don't need to talk much, okay? You don't have any problem, okay? I am going to get you something, you work. But you see, I came back for the princess's consecration. So I'll be going there. When I come back, we'll sit down and talk very well.
It's not what I need is to change business, just to start up something in this village. Okay. Even if it's provision or building mats, just let me change line up. Let me just...
Good, I'll get you something to do, okay? Meanwhile, how are your parents?
Everyone is fine. They're fine.
Tell them I'll come see them by maybe later today.
Okay, I will tell them. Okay. Well, let me rush out. Hustle. Let me rush to work, eh?
Yeah, okay. Thank you for the car.
It's alright. No one.
Dixon. Papa. I want you to begin to consider building a house of your own in this village.
I have all that in plan for next year.
Dixon, this is exactly what you said last year. If I am not mistaken, I know you own up to 10 cars in the city.
More than 10.
Oh,
more than 10.
I said it. So you can't keep coming to the village with different brands of automobiles. Ibute jeep ibute truck and people will begin to look at you as somebody who doesn't have another plan. So I want you to consider, making a plan for a building of your own. Of course, I told you that this house we are staying was built by your grandfather. I only renovated it out of my own little effort. Yeah? So you can't continue living like this. Becomes like as if it's a vicious circle.
Yes,
very soon you'll be thinking about renovating this one.
No, Papa, there is no problem about that. I want to build a state-of-art mansion here. I want to build a house that will look like a tourist center in this village, where different people from different villages will come and see my edifice.
Dixon. It's good. I'm your father. I cannot mislead you. Because this thing is becoming like as if it is as if we are under a curse or under a spell.
Papa, the point now is that I want you to show me a portion where I can build.
Dixon, that one is not a problem. Just point anywhere, it becomes yours.
Papa, it's not about pointing. I can point, but I want you to show, because I know you have a particular place in mind that you want me to build, because I want to build a wonderful house.
If that's the case.
Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry. No waiting Dixon the
You can see this place is already fenced.
Yes.
So the whole of this fence, it's a tableland.
Papa, this is not what I want. Papa, I want a large portion of land where I can build a tourist center, a swimming pool, an amusement park, a good mansion, and what I mean. Papa, who owns this house?
It's Mazukono.
Mazukono, please talk to him for me. I want to break down this house and build a mansion.
Oh, that's not a problem.
Papa, who owns that one?
This one is Emenike. Emenike has no problem. I will talk to Emenike about this one.
Papa, what? Okay, hold on. I want to show you exactly what I want. I want a large portion of land. Papa, hold on.
It's okay. Emenike has no problem. I will talk to Emenike about this one.
Papa, this is what I want. From here now.
Yes.
Cook all the now. Cook every house is there. Break it down. And Papa, I want to take all over this place. Yes.
Is that so?
Because of what I want to build.
There's no problem. There's no problem.
Papa, no, you've not understood what I'm trying to say.
I understood. You want a swimming pool?
Papa, hold on.
It's all right. It's all right.
Hold on.
My son.
Papa? What of that building? Who owns it?
It's Barrister McDonald that works in customary court.
That's the first here.
It's our own. Emenike's own.
Papa, I don't care where bulldozer. We could see everything here. That house, get it down.
I will talk to
Barrister Donald. That land. In fact, let me
It's a photo?
Yes, let me even take the pictures of what I want to send to my engineer.
Is that
I am coming down here with a bulldozer, a caterpillar, all sorts of things to get exactly what I want. This is a small portion. This is a small portion. It's not enough for me for my dog house. Yes. It's too small. Papa, let me make the video. See exactly what I want.
We have not finished talking with them first. They will be talking about encroachment.
Papa, be talking with them for me.
It's in a picture. Because of villagers, they will say you are encroaching in another man's land.
It doesn't matter. I will pay them off. I will buy the villagers and buy the land.
Allow me to talk with. I have to discuss with them first before you do picture. It's in a picture.
Worry, Baba.
It's in a picture. Oh, my son says he wants to build airport. This is wonderful.
Listen to me. Where is that criminal? Where is he?
He has not come back from the village.
Arrest him.
I'm not a criminal. I didn't do anything. I'm not a criminal.
See,
I'm not a criminal.
you connived with your friend to steal my car. Take him away. No, you will remain in jail until your friend returns my car.
Hey!
Take him away.
Jail.
Let's go to
jail.
To the station.
Jail.
Get up.
Hi.
Fast.
Young man.
I said move. Move from.
Take him away.
I don't touch him.
I don't know what I did to your father. I've been trying so much to make sure I put food on the table. I have never ever cheated on him ever since we got married.
Mama, it's okay. All right? I will talk to father when he comes back from the palace. Oh? Let's go. Chinelo, take Mama inside.
It's okay.
If even to pay for weekly return for this bike, I don't have it. If sprocket didn't spoil today, spoke will spoil, the plug will spoil. Eh? What kind of life is this?
Why not talk to Dixon? He might take you to the city with him. I heard there are opportunities there.
Me, I don't have strength for a city now. I don't want to go to the city. I believe with money, I can make it here. All I need is just money to start up a good business. Not to go to the city. There are opportunities here too.
Why not ask him to give you money to start up a trade here? Even if it is to lend you. You pay with interest.
Well, the truth is that I've spoken to Dixon. He said I shouldn't worry, that he's going to do something, so...
Then why are you worried? Ha! Brother Ndude, you should not worry. I know Brother Dixon, he will help you since he has opened his mouth to say he will help you. He will help you. Okay, I get the money. I'll give you the money.
Just that the weekly return for this bike, I don't even have it now. And the owner just called me not quite long to ask of it. How am I supposed to give to him? Everything in that bike is always spoiling. This sprocket didn't spoil. The plug was spoiled. In fact, I'm tired. I need to change that engine.
See what you will do. In the evening, go to his house, he will dash you money. If he dashes you money, you use it to pay for this week's return. Oh? But I don't worry yourself.
Even the clutch itself is...
But you worry too much.
Don't I worry. Don't understand.
What? That Metro was arrested? Okay. I'm going to call the chief. Okay. I am going to call Chief. I'll call him. It's okay.
Is anything the matter?
Oh, my dear, it's just a minor issue. One of my boys in the company misbehaved.
Oh,
yeah.
I see.
Wow, Rita, you look good. You look gorgeous. Nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I was just passing by. I decided to drop in and say hello.
Okay. That's good. That's good.
So, what are you doing for today?
Nothing. Really, nothing. I'm just going to be around for Princess consecration, then back to my base.
Oh, yeah? In that case, do you mind having a couple of drinks with me today?
Today?
Innocent drink. I don't buy it.
It's okay. Let me get my car keys.
Only send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out. I'm off alone. Billion.
My brother! My brother! My only brother! Look at that baby girl. My only brother! What can I bear, baby girl? What can I bear, baby girl? Clear road. You guys are so fresh. Look at Chinelo. You've grown into a woman, a beautiful one for that matter.
This one is only food that she knows how to eat in this house. Every time.
It's okay, let her be eating. Let her be eating. Wow.
Thank you, Brother Dixon.
Thank you, my
You're
dear.
so fine.
Thank you.
Man, what can I say now? Shut up. Won't you allow him to rest first before asking him what he bought for you?
So you've not stopped this thing, yeah? But it's okay, it's okay. I intend doing ATM when I was coming, okay? But I couldn't just do that. So manage this one and buy airtime for yourself, okay? Then send me your account number. I'm going to credit your account.
Thank you,
Okay.
brother. Thank you. I'll do that right away. Thank you.
Okay. My brother!
Now, what can I baby girl?
Give me the mama bear.
Look at this shoe.
Actually, I need to look good because I'm going to the palace to see the princess. Oh, yes. I'm going for her consecration.
Consecration? Hi! My brother. You see, you are dining with the rich. You are dining, please, if it's possible. You know, this my bike.
Can I go inside?
Oh, not the moment. But this is my bike business I'm doing. It's not working for me.
Okay.
Like since 2 days now, I've not gone to work. It's today that I fixed this bike. It's not what I will keep doing now.
Okay.
So since you're close to the princess, if you can help me talk to her to give me a job in the palace, I'll be very grateful.
Okay. What kind of job do you want?
Any job. You know me now, I'm a hustler. Any kind of job. If it's cooking, cleaning, washing, even going to the market to buy anything, I'm ready to do it.
It's okay. I'll talk to her later.
okay?
You will?
I will. Kubu Palace, man. Come, let's go
Dig
inside.
Dicky!
I'll talk to her.
What kind of this one only will buy this house.
Mama is
Dicky!
It will be, what will be, oh. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri, no gozigonu. Onye chukwu buni, no bunigonu. You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop the river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. Before you fight, make sure you fight to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, oh, no matter the
Guy, what will be the problem now? Return these clothes now. This is 4 days, and you tell me say na 2 days. What did they do you? You go tell me say na one day should bring, you should give you clothes. Then you go just carry the clothes, stay 1 week, 4 days. What will be your problem, guy? Return that clothes. Eh? This is now 4 days, and you say na 2 days. The owner won't collect that clothes. What will be the problem, guy? I don't understand. You won't put me for trouble. Bring that clothes, I beg, tomorrow. I beg. Hello? Hello, Dixon? Which kind of nonsense be this one? Which kind of nonsense be this, eh? This guy too overdo this thing. He won't put me for trouble.
Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry.
So, Princess, once again, congratulations on your consecration. As a princess of this kingdom, I mean, it's a huge honor.
It is. One thing I pray for is wisdom. You know, to whom much is given, much is expected.
You're right, you know. We as your friends and family, you know, we'll always got your back.
Thank you.
We'll always be there for you.
Thank you very much.
So, what are your plans now that you're closer to your destiny?
Wow. That's a huge question.
This my brother is enjoying. Igwe. So this is what you drink here without me, eh? Hey. Congratulations once more.
Oh, thank you.
Consecration of my princess.
Thank you.
You know, your success is my success.
Well, it's a family success.
You're right. By the way, where is my princess? I need to congratulate her.
Oh, well, she should be in her chambers, and that's remind me, I need to see her.
Oh, in that case, let me fetch her for you.
That's all right. That's all right.
This my brother, you are enjoying. Let me fetch her. Hey, my princess.
I'm so happy to have you here. I feel honored.
Thank you, my princess.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. My princess, I've been wanting to ask you for something.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know if you can help me employ my cousin to start working in the palace. You know, he has been disturbing me that he needs a job. And then I told him to calm down, that I'm going to get him a job where I'm working, but he's so impatient to wait. You understand? So, and he told me that he wouldn't want to leave the village to the city. So I don't know what to do.
It's okay. I will check with the domestic staff tomorrow. But in the meantime, you can tell him to come and see me.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
By the way, you look good.
Princess Ibiakwa.
As always.
Even you. Queen
Okay, so tell me, how has business been?
Booming. Nice. Good. Great.
I can see that.
We're doing well.
I can see that.
My princess.
Okay. Make sure they're paying that 10 million into my account. Come on, shut up, are you stupid? You know how I make my money. I'm coming, eh? It's okay.
Nna.
Mama?
Since you said you can't wait to eat, no problem. It's
okay, but I have to rush now to beat the traffic. Yes, and I'm going straight to the company. They are waiting for me.
It's okay, my son. I hope you still remember what we discussed.
Papa, of course.
They are still in place, eh?
Of course.
Good.
Of course, I have to start going now.
It's okay. I'm back on the speed, eh?
It's okay. You remember what I told you before? When I get to the city, once I get to the city, I'm going to make a transfer to both of you.
Okay.
Because my account manager told me that I've made a lot of transfer and I cannot transfer any money right now.
Okay.
So once I get to the city, here I know the account will be account one, another.
So thank you.
But brother, Nweki can give me 2,000 naira for that my lecture.
2,000 is too small. It's too small. I can't give my younger brother 2,000. When I get to the city, send me account number. Yellow on.
Brother, I will go to 500. They need the urgent.
Send me account number. Send me account number. Camelo 100,000. Baba, one calling.
Please, don't be making call and be driving.
No.
If you go to the city, you can make call.
It's okay.
What about the money I am owing Mazi Okeke? The money is troubling me.
Oh, you're still owing Mazi Okeke?
Mazi Okeke.
Like how much?
20,000.
20,000. 20? Papa, tell Mazi Okeke that I'll give him 50,000.
50,000?
Yes.
It's 20,000 that I'm owing him.
But I'll give him 20,000. I mean, when you joke?
You want me to know more? I think it's 2,500 naira.
25. I'll give them 10,000.
Huh?
Okay, man, when you joke?
That's my lecture fee. 50,000 for the jump.
Anyway, send me account number. Eh?
Oh, 50.
Papa, we give him 50k.
50k.
I will add it 10k.
Dixon and Dixon Enterprises. So you will send it in my own account. Yes. Then I will give to them.
Send everybody's phone to their account. I have my account. Have you forgotten that when I was working in local government, I have my account? I'll try one.
I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Only I sent to me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out.
Hey, it's my brother, my own blood brother.
How far?
The only rich man, handsome rich man in this village. I had Rabo.
Actually, I was on my way to your house. I wanted to see you before leaving for the city.
Same here. I was even coming to see you.
Fine,
so
bro.
Fine. I want to know if you later spoke to the princess.
Oh, yes. She said you should come to the palace.
She said so?
Yes.
Are you sure she will give me the job?
Just try and see her today. She'll give you the job.
How you kidding? Why? I will go and see her right away. Now. Thank you. One name, okay. Let
me start going, man.
Big go.
Okay.
Alright, you guys here. Let me rush there now, eh?
Fake identity.
Who are you? Come here. Who are you?
I'm here to see the princess.
He said he's here to see the princess.
Is she aware you're coming?
Yes.
Okay, wait here. What's your name?
Just tell her Dixon's brother, Ndode.
Okay, I'm coming. Excuse me, my princess.
Oh my God, you're such a pest. What is it again this time around?
Don't mind Rita. What is it?
My princess, someone is here to see you.
Who?
He said his name is Ndode, Dixon's brother.
Oh, please let him in. Tell him to wait for me at the chamber, okay?
Yes, my princess.
Are you aware he's coming?
Yeah, sure. I am. And I'll have to attend to him quickly. So, would you mind coming with me?
I'll be right there. He's not bad looking.
So, how are you related to Dixon?
He's my cousin.
Oh, okay.
Hey, turn around. Don't mind my friend, he's too much. I said turn around. Don't mind her. I mean it. Turn around.
You know what? Go home. I'll send West across. I need to speak with her first.
My princess, please. Please, I need this job.
No,
please.
no, get up.
Please. I promise I will do everything. I'll be humble.
It's okay.
Please.
It's okay.
Please. You won't regret employing me.
Don't
my
worry,
princess.
don't worry. I'll send West across to you, okay? Don't worry, just go.
I should go.
Just go.
I'm Dixon's brother. Please.
It's okay. You'll hear from me. It's a promise. Just go.
You'll be engaging.
Oh my God! Did you see that? See what? Wait, you didn't see that display? Oh my God!
You know what? I'm not just straight now. Please, let's go.
Let's
go already.
Oh my God!
I will deal with you. You don't know who you just messed with now.
Chief, I am sorry. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I got a call that my mother was at the hospital. Chief, I had to rush to go see my mother. Before I got there, they referred her to UBTH Benin City. Then I had to use the car to rush see my mother. Please, I am sorry.
You will tell all those stories when the police get here.
Please, Chief, please don't tell the police. If you take me to the police station, my mother will die. I'm the only one taking care of my mother at the hospital. No other person. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Let me have my keys.
Okay. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Are you sure your mother is sick?
Chief, very sick. Very, very sick. As we talk now, as we speak now, my mother is at the point of death. If I don't just leave now, she might die. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay. Get up.
Okay.
Don't let this happen next time.
It won't happen again.
You may not be this lucky.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Chief. Thank you. I'm Chief. I feel get transport.
Come on, get out of here.
Dixon and Dixon Enterprises away. Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry.
What do you mean that you can't find the clothes that I bought for you to work for me here?
Please, just give me 2 days. I might have misplaced it or probably given it to another customer. Please, I beg you. I beg you.
This is what you keep on telling me every time that I come here. What I need my clothes right away now.
Hey, my guy. My guy, Alpha. What's going on here?
I don't know for this man that I give my clothes for him to watch for me. Now he's telling me I can't find my clothes. For how many months now?
No.
Ogasia, this guy is a very nice guy. Very nice guy. He's mad. Eh? Please, just free the guy. Eh? I'm going to help him for your clothes. He's a very nice guy. He doesn't behave like this. I must meet Tien or group, man. Yeah? But please, I beg you in the name of God, I am going to help him search for your clothes. I will get it. Okay? He's not like that. He's a nice guy.
I'm going to leave it because of this man. And when I come here, I need my clothes in my hand.
Because it will happen.
You have luck because of this man today.
I beg, go. I beg. I go help him find your clothes. Eh? Leave me. Can you message?
Do you know the problem you used to put me, the embarrassment you give me in face of my customers? You want to shut down this shop?
He's still around, bro. Cool down.
Guy, leave me.
Cool down now.
You said 4 days, right?
I am back.
I will never, mark my word. Better go look for all this apricot dry cleaner. I know they do, I'm here. I know that, you see, this very shop, now my cost of livelihood, don't know carry and play, she didn't me so, I know go give you again.
Calm down now, see your clothes here now. I don't bring them back now, cool down now, what do you worry?
Please say something. You can hear. Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you. Young man, have you worked before?
Yes, Your Highness. I'm an Okada rider. I'm a very hard-working man, Your Highness.
That's good to hear. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. We don't condone thievery here. So, no stealing.
God forbid. I have never stolen in my life, Your Highness. You can make inquiries. Ask my father. I don't steal.
Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed. Destiny can never be changed. And no matter the fight, no matter the challenge.
Where else could he be, if not at his girlfriend's place, Luchy? That is the reason he always accuses me. Mama,
what is so special about that woman? Kedifa Papa Funarua, what does Papa see in her that is making him misbehave? Often was I will beat the living daylight out of her. It is becoming too much.
Be careful. I am tired of it all.
But Ndude is back early today.
Mama, guess.
I can't guess. But you look happy.
Mama, wait. Let me guess. You got a walk at the palace today. Yes.
Look, not only that, my start-off salary is 30k monthly. But the princess agreed to increase it to 40,000 naira because of Dixon.
40,000 naira.
Monthly.
Hey! That is big money. And all this happened because of Dixon.
Yes, so because of Dixon.
May God bless him for us.
Amen. What about your Okada business?
What about the money you paid them?
Mama, did you know what is 40,000 naira monthly? It's a big money now. Yeah, I'll leave this bag for now and use my life and do something.
The biggest boy!
I have 40,000, I'll still need to. Mama, now for you.
Biggest boy! My brother is not a big boy.
What you got to work now?
Big boy, yeah.
That is good.
Mama, don't worry, yeah?
You're not a big boy. My brother is a bigger boy. My brother is a bigger boy. My brother is a bigger boy. I like it, you are a good. Hey, Mama. My brother works in the palace. What are those boys?
Yes, salary.
Hey! I'm all for it. I'll be visiting you at the palace.
Yes, people can come anytime. Yes, you can come.
Mama, I'm thinking of this.
Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry. Oh, now waiting Dixon they do. Fake life now waiting Dixon they live. I bought this nigga to add them into my garage. Oh yeah, send to me your account.
Kissing Ken and music like a woman. As if I'm trying to chase you. What is it now? Since I came back from the village, you've been acting up. If I've wronged you in any way, tell me I will apologize. Leave me alone. Because you go to
leave me alone. I know what I'm telling you. Leave me alone. If don't you know you've offended me?
Meche, okay. Okay, let me say I am sorry. However I've offended you, I am sorry.
No need to be sorry. I like it this way. I want to be on my own. Be on your own. See, I don't want more troubles. There are a lot of troubles coming to me in this place. I don't want it.
Meche, I cannot be on my own. You be my guy for this working shop. I cannot be on my own. Why are you acting up now?
How come you be on your own? Because the other day Chief came here. I know what I passed through. He had to go and lock me and say, "Oh my God, tiri. We fight him. Just be on your own, no. For now, I don't want to be close to you. I don't want to be seen with you. Just be on your own. Let me be on my own.
I'm sorry now. On the person no case again is again MSC.
Who know next now? Or kirikiri? I'm kirikiri now. I don't want it though, please. I don't want it. Now when they come now,
Guy, my guy, what are you doing now? I know how to give you a wine. Get your here.
They talk. You are tying my clothes.
Yeah, you're my guy.
My guy. Okay, who's going to tie my this for me now?
And they beg you since they walk out. They beg you.
When they come, can we get in? I think you
go tell my clothes. Oh, if I mention, I go follow me now.
You go follow me.
Follow me, my guy. That's the way they talk.
Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be. No matter the second.
Good day, ma'am.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
I hope you are enjoying your work.
Thank God.
I see. Well, I want you to continue being a good boy. You promise?
Of course, I promise.
That's fine. You can get back to your work.
Thank you.
You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop a river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. Before you fight, make sure you fight to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle.
I've told you to always knock before entering. My bad. But I couldn't hold it. I found the one for you. You found the one for me? Yes, of course.
Really?
Yes, your
And
Majesty.
who could that be?
The one for you. You know what? You are very funny. I hope you're ready because we're going out. And as for him, I'm not interested. You're single. You can have him for all I care, please.
Chibuogo. He's in today.
Listen to yourself speak, Rita. I can't bring myself to that level.
Wait a minute. What level are you talking about? Ndude is handsome, hardworking, and very humble. So, what are you looking for?
How about Dixon?
Dixon? Never.
Dixon can never be as humble as Ndude. You need Ndude. Listen, all he needs is a little clean up. Get him some good clothes, shoes, and get more closer to him. That's all.
I'm not sure about this. I'm not. I can't even imagine myself doing something with...
Do not worry. No. You have me. You know I can handle this. I know how to drag him closer. Just trust me.
Rita.
Oh, Chiwogo. Can you allow me to do this?
I won't. I can't even imagine. No. No! That's not possible.
Come on. I don't even want to think about this. I can't even imagine it. No. Leave it for me then.
Joy!
How are you, Dixon?
I'm good, sir.
It's been a long time.
Yes, so I did. Welcome.
Dixon,
I
want you to service this car.
Okay.
Let it not be like other ones.
No, now trust me. Now go do am well.
Okay. Service this car and consider it done. I'm traveling with it tomorrow.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow no go possible. Unless you know what make I do this car well.
No. I want you to do it. You know, the other time they are a kind of wishy-washy and a crankum in this car, so I don't want such thing to occur. No, so just wholeheartedly and cool your temper and service my car.
I will.
I rather travel with a public bus instead of spoiling my car now for me.
It's okay, sir. I go do am. But okay, we need to.
That one is not a problem. It's not a problem. I will do just that.
I no go start work. I no go start work if I no see money.
Just service the car. Okay. You know what? I'm traveling by evening, but before that, I will do transfer for you.
Okay, no wahala, go do am.
Okay.
But if I no see the alert, I no go fit start.
I will do just that. I will do it.
I beg, I have more money now.
Serious
Give me that money. Can I buy water? I buy something. I got no place. I got this. No place. You go and you. When I start come. I beg you. Do this stingy. I beg.
Idiot, come on.
So, as I was saying, service my car.
Hey, buy pure water for me.
All right.
Okay, if I no see alert, I no go fit start work.
Do it and consider it done.
Okay.
Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry. Now waiting Dixon the be take life now waiting Dixon the leave. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh yes.
You're up already.
Oh yes.
I can see.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Very good. So I'm meaning to ask you, do you have a girlfriend? I mean, you don't have to lie to me. Because if you do, I have a way of finding out things. And when I do, you will no longer be in my good book. So you have to just tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Who is your girlfriend?
I don't have a girlfriend. I will first of all feed myself before thinking of feeding another person. Because maintaining a woman is not easy. So, there's no girlfriend at all. The only woman I have is my mother and my younger sister. That's all.
You sure about this?
Why would I lie? If I have a girlfriend, I'll just tell you I have a girlfriend.
I see. In that case, I'm going to hook you up with someone very special. I mean, a very important personality. Someone you never imagined that you would ever have anything to do with in this life.
Just see, there's no point for that now. Seriously, I don't want a girlfriend. It's just me and my job. There's no need for that. I don't have any money to give to any girl now. Let me just concentrate and achieve what I... Because girlfriends, they have their own wahala.
Who is talking about money here? The person I'm talking about is very rich. So she doesn't need your money. Yes. Whether you like it or not, you need a girlfriend. You sure do.
Ma, see, I appreciate that you care for me, but I don't. It's me that has my own life. That my life now is what I'm telling you, that my life doesn't need a girlfriend.
The only thing you need to do for her is to be loyal and honest. Once you have these two qualities, you're qualified. So, don't worry. You can get back to your work. It's a promise. I will do it.
Okay, man. Let me go and continue the work.
Okay. Remember to always be a good boy.
Definitely.
Before you fight, make sure you fight to the end. Before you dance, make sure you shoot. Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry. Now waiting Dixon the life now waiting Dixon the leave. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out, I'm off load. Billion, now why for that no? Now what does you go Dixie na go back on this? If any no make we man up, one as you fake life, you're not fake identity. Pussy Dixon up, one on your lower. Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry.
Hello, baby. Yeah, how are you? Baby, I'm cool. Yeah, I know. It's been work since I came back from the village. Yeah. I have a lot of files before me right now to work on. Yeah, baby. It's okay. Okay, the thing now is that some investors are coming to my office. I have a meeting with them in about 2 hours from now. Yeah. Okay, baby, I have to face a lot of fires before me right now, you know. I have a lot of work to do. Yes, a lot of work to do. Okay, you know, company, well, you know. Yeah. It's okay, baby, I'll talk to you when I'm done with them, okay? Yeah. Good investors with good money. It's okay, baby, it's okay. No, from here I'll go to either one of this big fast food. I'll just take a chicken on. I like turkey, you know me now. I like turkey. In the morning, no, I took a fried egg with bread. The tea is very thick. It's okay. No. A champagne before me. Right as I'm talking to you, I'm taking champagne. Yes, that's what I take whenever I'm working on a file. Yeah, champagne. Yeah, champagne. Okay, I'll talk to you, baby, huh? Let me face my work, okay? Ciao, ciao. Oh.
Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor.
Where I see money, buy bottle water. Even this one is hot. Mete! I bet hunger don't come on.
I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh yeah, send to me your account. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight.
Peter, I don't think this is a good idea. Not this guy.
My friend, look at the way he's attending to these grasses diligently. That's how he will attend to you too. On a daily basis, if you give him a try. Listen, my friend. This guy right here will remain loyal to you. And that's what you need. I know what is good for you.
Good looking. I agree with you. Hard working. But this idea, I don't think I'm okay with it.
Why? Okay, I understand. Maybe he's not the kind of man you want. But, you know, we just little money. We can fix him up. You know we can do this. You don't have to chicken out. Give it a try. I can help you fix him up to that man you want. I know what you need. I know what you're looking for. I can do that for you.
I'll think about this.
Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, will be. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be.
What you do? From a womb, where you going to hear me? With your dinner tell back of that credit. You know why?
Too small now, I never get money today. So they give me small, they give me nothing already. I'm not sure. I know you're stingy. Very stingy. My own man.
I want to tell you something now.
What's that?
I'll be traveling to the village. I got a call from my uncle.
Traveling again? Just came back few days ago. You are traveling again. This your traveling is becoming too much. Others are working, you are traveling.
My father fell from the palm tree. Yes, my uncle called and he said he's now unconscious. And the only thing that is coming out from his mouth is Dixon Nwamo, Dixon Nwamo, Dixon Nwamo, Dixon Nwamo. So I have to go and know what is wrong with my father.
Your father fell from palm tree. You are eating bread and Pepsi. The only thing that is coming out from his mouth is Dixon Nwamo, Dixon Nwamo, Dixon Nwamo, Dixon Nwamo. This is your family today, your mother. Tomorrow, your father. This tomorrow, your uncle. This is your family. You need deliverance. You people need deliverance because every day you be traveling here, sickness, one sickness or the other. See, if you can go to anywhere, I hope you are not going with any customer's car.
Ha, no, I'm not going to anybody's car. I'm not touching anybody's car. Ha, very good.
That's my own. You can go to anywhere. You can go to America if you want to go to. But just know that what we are doing here is work and chop.
We are talking about my father. We're talking about my father here. I don't know what you're talking about.
You're talking about your father eating bread and Pepsi. You're talking about your father. I'm not saying one place and do your work. Yeah, be dicking one. One day they will say I'm on one milk.
Hey! Did you see me?
I'm fine.
Very well. Now, take this.
What will I buy?
I want you to use it, get some clothes and shoes for yourself. It's from the princess. And she has given you a day off too.
Thank you very much. Is she inside? Let me.
Don't worry, she will hear. Listen, make sure you buy the clothes and the shoes. Okay? I want to see them on you tomorrow.
Oh, thank you.
Dixon, I know if you give you this thing, I beg, guy. I know if you give you. This thing is my business. See, the other day I give you that, I know if they give you.
Why are you doing like this? I beg. Do this thing for me. It's very urgent. I will bring it back.
See, Dixon, why don't you just put yourself for the class and category where you belong? Guy, you too overdo. I just tell you.
Hey,
you too overdo.
Hey, no be because say I can't borrow cloth from me, that's why you go insult me. No insult me, I beg, I don't need them. If you want give me, give me. If you don't want give me, tell me. No they insult me now. You want tell people say I come do borrow.
You know they borrow before. No be borrow, you come here, come borrow. Guy, calm down. But I know if you give you. Might be the thing, I know if you give you.
People they listen.
Guy, calm down. I know if you. Forget that kind of thing.
No the fuck. Now take this.
Oh, you supposed to get packaging now. I know. Nah, I know just we do this thing. I know if you on a bribe, bro. What you say? I know if you do this. Guy, calm down. Just sit down.
4 days. 4 days. 4 days. I will bring that back. Okay.
Dixon no get money, but better in the hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor the hungry. I know waiting Dixon baby. Take life now, waiting Dixon baby. I got this nigga to Adam into my car. Oh, yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out.
God bless you. I just got the money you gave me. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Get up.
What did I do to deserve this from you?
It's okay. Get up.
Thank you so much. You will never lack. Your family will never lack. Thank you so much.
Just get up. Get up.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So far, so good. Soon I will succeed in taking her attention away from Dixon to this little dirty village boy. And Dixon will be all mine.
We can go.
Thank you.
Sorry, I was trying to walk in. I didn't know you were coming out.
It's okay. I didn't know you were here too.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, it's fine.
Thank you.
Start talking. What? Just start talking already. Okay. I told you to leave it off for me. Goodness. He's so humble. His humility just melted my heart.
You see that guy? I told you he would worship you like a queen. He will appreciate you and above all, stay loyal to you forever. That's what you need.
You're right. You are right from the look of what he just did. You're right. I mean, I think I'm beginning to like him.
That means we're making progress already. No, I told you. Yes. So now you're feeling so proud of yourself. Super proud. Oh, please sit down.
Brother, you are very lucky. Barely few days you started work at the palace. You have started receiving favor.
My dear, you can say that again. Those people are very, very nice people, Mama.
Really?
Very, very kind. Especially the princess and her friend.
Chai. How God will bless them for us.
Amen. Amen.
But Mama, what do you expect? Just go to my brother. Just check my brother out and balance him. He is good looking and also gentle. So who will not like him? He will definitely find
my hype woman.
You are not far from the truth. Eh? You have said it all. But apart from looks, character is another thing that is most important.
Exactly.
Because it will take you where looks will never take you.
That's true, Mama.
And humility goes a long way to help people. So you have to be good to people, including you.
You always say that.
Mama, Golibe, because the sky is your starting point. You do not only possess good characters, you are so good looking.
She's looking for something. I know you.
Here.
I said it.
Mama, this is beautiful. Brother, thank you! Thank you so much!
It's okay, I'll do more for you.
Mama! Mama, are you jealous?
I'm not.
Don't worry.
I know my God is coming. I said it. I know it. I know.
Baba.
For me? Hey! Oh, Namo Chukugaziegi. Hey! I told you. Look at my phone. 1, 2, 3. Your own, If I see your hand here, you will see. Hey! Nam Chukugaziegi in there. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, that's not all.
Hey! Yeah.
Here you go, Mama. You told me Papa collected some money from Here is 10,000. I'm replacing it for you.
Hey, the money your father took from me.
Mama, the good thing is not only the 10,000. I'm adding more to it.
Ozopa, ego n'elu ego. Brother, my size is more. You are my size of what? Hey.
This is 10,000.
You added money. Hey! Oh, but you are my size more.
You are my size, brother. Thank you. Thank you.
Where's your money?
Mama.
Let me see the money.
Let me see your money. I have to rush back to the palace. I just came to see you.
Mama! He's back! Hey! He's back!
Let's go.
Hey! Dick is back!
You're welcome. You're welcome now.
CEO, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises. Hey! Up.
You sent for me.
Yes. Can you drive?
Yes.
You have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Good. From now henceforth, I don't want you to work as a gardener. I want you to be my personal driver. Alright?
Okay.
So what that means is you would have to go with me everywhere. Well, of course, aside my bedroom.
Okay.
And I would increase your salary. And you would also be given an outstation allowance of 20,000 naira.
Wow.
Whenever we travel.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. You can go.
Thank you.
By the way, you look good.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you.
Delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, will be. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, will be. What will be, will be. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye Chukwu goziri na gozigona. Onye Chukwu buniri no bunigona.
You're back.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me you were coming. When did you return?
Today?
Oh. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you?
I'm good.
vexing.
Just go in and wait for me, okay?
Okay, going out?
Yes.
Vixen no get money, but better thing they hungry. Vixen no get motor, but motor they hungry. Now waiting Dixon the fake life now waiting Dixon the leave. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out, I'm off load.
Dick, me and the princess and I, she wants us to go for inspection. So I want to drive her around, cruise. So you can stay inside and wait for us. We'll stay long, in case if you check your schedule, if you cannot wait, then you know your next line of action. So me, I'm going with Tanya. Bye, Dick.
Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry. Now waiting Dixon baby, fake life now waiting Dixon baby. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out, I'm off load. Billion, now why for that?
Oh, Dixie!
What are you doing here?
What a pleasant surprise. You're around.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.
How are you?
Fine. Thank you. You are where the princess is not around?
Oh yes, I met her on my way in.
Yeah, she's going to be staying out for a very long time.
Oh.
The Iwe actually sent her to go supervise the road project currently going on. So that means you will be waiting for so long.
Okay.
And
okay.
If you don't mind, can I show you the guest room? So you can relax and be more comfortable while you're waiting for her.
No, it's okay. I'm fine here. Yeah, I'm fine here. It's okay. I'll be good here.
Mr. Dixon.
Yeah.
I insist.
Make sure you fight it to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, no matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man. What will be, what will be, So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes, my princess.
Are you sure?
Yes, very sure.
Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. Before you fight, make sure you fight it to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, fight, oh. No matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, oh. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye Chukwu goziri, now gozigene. Onye Chukwu.
Is it this way or this way? My princess, is it?
No, this way.
Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed.
Hey. My bad, Chase.
Rita, you see, I can't lead you on. I do not want you. I don't love you. It's the princess that I love.
What is it the princess can afford you that I can't? I am beautiful, educated, and very rich.
Yeah, I know, but all that doesn't matter. What matters to me now is the love I have for the princess, and I want to respect that.
Oh, I see. But unfortunately, the princess is actually in love with someone else. She doesn't feel the same way for you.
Rita, you see, I can't be fooled by you because I know the princess is not dating anyone at the moment. Okay, we are very close. Very, very close. Like she tells me things.
Oh, yeah? Oh, so in that case, did she also tell you that she's currently seeing a driver? I mean, your cousin.
What?
Listen, young man. The way your cousin had driver dresses, is that how he parlays driver dress? Your cousin happens to be the kind of man the princess likes, and she didn't hesitate to go for him. Oh yes, I am here offering you my whole self. Dixon, you trying to turn me down? Come on, Dixon. I truly love you. Don't turn me down. Where is Dixon? He has left. How was the inspection?
You were lucky you didn't come with us. I am so tired.
I see. And your driver, how did he do?
He's good. I told him to take the rest of the day off. He needs to rest. It was something else today.
Very good of you. Well, I want to go to the supermarket to get a few things.
Okay.
I'll be back shortly.
Thank you. I need to rest as well.
You'll need it.
Ndudi, how could you betray me? How could you betray me? You know that the princess and I are very close. You still went behind me to stab me at my back, Ndudi. You stabbed me so hard. It hurts me so bad. How could you betray me? Eh? He decided to bite the finger that fed him.
Calm down. Hmm? Dick, calm down. You know, it might not be what you are thinking. Hmm?
Mama, I don't know what I'm thinking. But what I'm thinking right now is that I'm going to kill that boy. I am going to skin life out of him. Mama, I'm going to make him feel terrible in this life. I will squeeze, I will pound him. Mama, Ndode. Hey.
Ndode, why? Huh? I thought he went there to work. I never knew he has a hidden agenda. Eh? This is so bad, though.
Mama, that woman, the princess supposed to be my wife. But Ndode has gone there to spoil everything. Eh? Can you imagine? All the time I spent there, they couldn't come back. The princess now tells me to wait. Then you can't imagine how he greeted me. As if we were mates. As if we were mates, Mama.
This is so bad.
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Where are you going to?
I'm going home.
Oh, come in, let me drop you off then.
Wow, thank you.
Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, no matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man. What will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri, no gozigoni. Onye chukwu buri, no bunigoni. You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop the river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. Before you fight, make sure you fight it to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, no matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man. What will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu gozi, no gozigoni. Onye chukwu buri, no bunigoni. You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop the river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. make sure you fight it to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be what will be. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na gozigone, onye chukwu buniri no bunigone. You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop the...
I learned you had a hectic day today.
Oh yes, it was very hectic. Even at some point, I pitied the princess because I know she's not used to such thing.
Talking about the princess, have you noticed she has an eye for you? I mean, she has fallen deeply in love with you already.
In love with me?
Dudu, listen. The princess loves you. All I want from you is to love her back. Please, don't break her heart.
I don't understand. The princess is my brother's girlfriend. Have you forgotten?
Oh, forget that. There is nothing going on between them. They are just nothing but friends. It's you the princess loves. Oh yes. Listening to the if I were you, I won't throw away this golden opportunity. Think of what you and your family stand to gain from this. Okay, ask yourself, why did she agree to employ you in the palace at the first place? Don't let your brother deceive you, okay? You see, the princess is like a sister to me. We've been friends from when we were teenagers. Whatever I ask her to do, that is what she does. So I am speaking to you right now on her behalf, that she likes you so much. But because she's a very shy person, she can't come out and tell you. So I am telling you now, because she confided in me that she's in love with you. I want you to think about it. Just love her back. That's all. She's a nice person. Don't throw it away. See you soon.
No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, what will be, oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na gozigone, onye chukwu...
Am I dreaming? No, is this a dream? The princess is in love with me.
Hey!
So, wait, is that why she's been very nice to me? This lady's saying the truth. The princess is in love with me.
Hey! That means if this works out, I will become the king! Mama!
No matter the challenges, it will be what will be.
Mama, you see, she's not picking my call anymore. Yeah? You see, the princess can't even pick my call anymore. That stupid animal has gone there to spoil the princess' heart against me. Yeah? She's not even picking my call anymore.
Do the wine.
Okay. What are we going to do? Hey, I know what to do.
Yeah, where are you going to now? Yeah, where are you going to?
Come on, give me.
Big, calm down.
If I allow you drive out in this condition, if anything happens to you, what will I tell my God?
Mama, Dick, leave me alone now.
Biko, Dick.
Biko. Mama,
look at your mother. Please, calm down. Calm down, Biko. Calm down, my son. Oh, calm down, please. I'm begging you. Calm down. It's all right. It's all right, Biko.
I've not seen a smile as beautiful as this on your face for a long time.
Well, that is because your brother is happy, and my happiness is your happiness.
So tell me, what is it about this happiness? Our happiness.
Okay. You see, the princess of this land, that is the princess of this...
Princess Chibogo.
Exactly. Princess Chibogo is in love with your brother.
Brother, please, you can't get me with this lie. Look for another one.
Well, I'm not surprised at what you just said now, because that was what I thought until her friend Rita confessed it to me. She said she loves me, that she wants to be with me. I mean, she said so many shocking things that was hard for me to...
Brother, wait, let me digest it. That the princess of this kingdom is in love with you.
With me?
But if this is true, Papa, go and marry her sharp.
Well, for now, I'm just, trying to take a chill pill for now. And I believe as a princess as well, she wants to, because maybe she doesn't want people to know now, okay? And I want to be sure. I want to be very sure of what I heard. Because it's unbelievable. How can the princess love me? How?
Brother, you are such a lucky man.
You can say that again.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats. Thank you. But I thought she and Brother Dixon are lovers.
Exactly what I thought. But her friend Rita said no, that they are just friends. Okay, that is me she loves. But I know Dixon will be surprised when he hears about the princess and I.
Brother, I am so happy for you. Trust me, Brother Dixon will not be surprised. Rather, he will be happy for you.
You know, right?
Congrats!
Yeah, I mean, she said she loves me, that she wants to be with me. I'm everything she wants. I just cannot believe it.
This is our happiness.
My dear, I still can't believe it. I still can't.
Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry. I no waiting Dixon the be. Take life now, waiting Dixon the leave. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container not
Mama, listen to me. I went to your house. I didn't see anybody. But I want to use this opportunity to drop this stern warning with you for your son.
My son?
Yes.
Hope all is well.
Tell Ndudi to stay away from the princess. I am not going to warn him again.
My son, just calm down and talk to me. I am like a mother to you.
Mama, tell Ndudi that your gold digger of a son to stay away from my princess. Because if I ever see him near princess again, I am going to kill him myself. This should be the last warning. I won't say it again.
Dixon, we're going to go to our home.
Waiting Dixon the take life now, waiting Dixon believe. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out, I'm off alone. Billion, now why for not that no? But that's it, go Dixon.
You're welcome. All this for me? Nah. My son is here.
Again, now, here. What is that?
Imagine.
Rita.
She brought all this.
No, wait. What are you doing here? Eh?
That one is for your father. Hold it very well so that it will not fall. Mama, help you. It's falling. Move. Don't scatter those things.
I will get fat soon.
What are you doing here? Rita, what are you doing here? I've told you several times that I have someone I love. Let me be, Rita.
Listen, you know you can learn to love me, right? If you want to.
Rita, I want you to help me. I need the princess. Please, I want you to help me talk to her. Please.
Unfortunately, it's too late already. Because both of them are deeply in love. As you speak right now, they're about to go on a business trip together. Meaning they want to spend some quality time together. Meaning they will be in the same hotel, on the same bed, too. Dixon, I love you. I truly do.
What's that? Why would he tell you that? You shouldn't get me angry. He should not get me angry at all.
I didn't even understand what he meant. That was why I said I would talk with you to know what is going on. What is going on? I was trying to understand what he was saying.
Mama, what is going on is that the princess of this land is in love with your son, Ndodi.
Is he?
Yes, so that's the latest headline. She's in love with me. And I was on my own and she started liking me. So because she's Dixon's friend, I should turn her down, okay? Yes, now I should tell her go to hell because she's Dick's friend.
But I don't even say it. You see this favor, it is directly from the gods. Grab it with your hand.
My son, if that is the case, Biko, we have to be very careful.
Careful of what, Mama? Mama, careful of what exactly? Be careful. Be careful. You don't want your son to be favored. Have you ever seen a bear with sugar?
It's not that. It's just that I don't want your brother to have any problem with Dixon. Biko no. Nika de Romo. See, he has money. We don't have any. He might use money to buy the princess over.
Mama, leave this thing. I don't care. We don't have money now, but tomorrow we'll have money. What's the meaning of this thing? I'm angry now. You see, for this thing, I will show the princess love. Huh? I will show her. In fact, I engage love. Because of this nonsense now, he's coming to warn you because of the princess. Princess Cheziaka for love.
Wham, brother. When you love, quali up and down, kesu be akatanko. Ogenidi. Mama, if Dixon has money, the princess has more money. Let's fight it. Let's fight. If I
can you imagine came to warn you? As what now? We should see him and run away now because he has money.
I don't want problem. Mama, if he has money, the princess is richer. Leave that in, Mama. Allow my brother to love his love.
Oh, Rita, you're corrupting me. My God, I'm only doing you a favor, girl. Listen, when you get there, make sure you stay in the same room. Okay?
Rita,
I don't know how to do that. That would be so hard for me.
And that is what I'm trying to teach you now. Listen, it's very easy. You can add it up. When you get there, you could ask for a massage from him. Yes, that is if he doesn't want to stay in the same room with you. Yes. And from there, you can get him down. What? The most important thing is that the guy is so much interested in you. Even though that useless Dixon is going about spreading lies about you guys. I know.
Who's going about spreading lies?
This is going about telling people that you both are already dating each other.
What? Why would he do a thing like that? Oh. Was that why he... That's it. That's why he got upset when he saw me with another man. And then I told him I was tired, I couldn't see. He got up. That's it. That is it!
Did I not tell you the boy is very arrogant?
No. This is absolutely wrong. If it goes without saying we are dating or just friends, it's wrong. What?
He's calling.
Oh yeah? No. Don't pick it. No. You will not pick it, sorry.
What? She rejected my call? What has come over this girl? Chai, Chineke, what have I done to myself? Or telling Princess to give this boy work? Why would she choose this boy over me so fast when I've been friendly with her for many years? Yet she didn't give me this attention. Ndudi wants to die. Honestly, he wants to die. Imagine the throne that is almost close to me. He wants to take it from me. Okay. Ndudi. I trust you will represent me very well at the meeting.
Of course. Sure, Dad. Sure.
Remember to not take decisions without letting me know.
Well, I'll let you know, Father. It's not a problem.
Young man,
Your Highness.
drive very carefully.
Sure.
You are carrying a very important dignitary. My daughter. My world.
I know that. Of course I know I'm your world. Take care of you.
See you.
Okay?
All right.
See you, Daddy.
What will be, will be. What will be. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri, not gozigone.
Dick, you're here. Ndudi, how dare you? How dare you betray me, Ndudi?
What do you mean?
Don't even give me that innocent look of yours. Don't give me that. I know your type. You bastard.
No, Dick, see, I respect you so much. But the one I won't take is you coming to my father's house to call me names.
Hey.
I will not take that.
Hey, listen.
What do you mean, bastard?
Listen. I owe you. I owe the job you're doing now. I give it to you. I owe your life. I owe everything you're enjoying now.
What do you mean you owe
And
my
I will
life?
not hesitate to take it back and you start living your life the way you've been living before. Do you understand? I promise you that.
What do you mean you owe my life? Are you God?
I promise you that.
Are you God? Now, see, Dixie, mind what you say. Oh. Mind what you say. I'm telling you the truth. Which one is you owe my life? Are you God? No, I'm just talking to you. You bullshit me like I'm one fool.
Papa will just come here and talking to me, even like a fool is talking to me. You're coming here to warn me. Because I'm following instructions. Are you the one paying me?
Daddy! Daddy, how are you? I'm fine. Where did you go? Daddy, everything went as planned. You cooperated with us.
That's good.
So how is your health?
Well, I'm still as strong as a lion.
Daddy, I can see.
You need some rest. So go in and rest, then later we'll discuss in detail.
Good Your Highness. My princess, you have a guest and he's waiting for you in your chamber.
Okay, get my bag. Tell him I'll leave him shortly, okay?
No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, will be. What will be, will be. Oh. So why are you fighting your faith?
Mama, leave this thing you're saying. Don't worry about Dixon. Dixon is a muggle. For him to come here to say rubbish or Bonyala, it's very stupid.
Ndodi, I have to worry. I have to worry myself over that because both of you we are getting on very well. Eh? See, if the princess is the problem, I beg of you to leave her for him, Biko. Kansobula.
Mama, what are you even saying now? I should leave her. As what now? Because of this threatened us. I should leave her. The girl is not even dating him. She's not even dating him. So what? I don't want to get angry. I don't just want to get angry.
No, don't worry. Just listen to your mother. Eh? I don't want this thing's problem in any way.
What kind of problem?
Just look at us. Eh? We don't have money. You're still looking for who to help you. But Dixon is very rich. I don't want his problem. Just leave her for him, Biko. Eh?
Mama, leave her for who now? That girl loves me. She loves me. She doesn't love Dixon. And I love her too. How can you be telling your son to leave? Mama, Malifiga now. Know what you're saying now. How can you be advising me to leave who I love for Dixon because he has money? So it's all about money now. Not my happiness.
It's not like that. Eh? See, Dixon can go to any length. He can do anything to hurt you. I want you to think about this thoroughly. Eh? I know what I saw in his eyes that day. The rage, anger, and bitterness. People want think about it.
Mama, what you saw was the face of a failed man. Not faithful. What kind of rage? Well, me, I've heard what you said though. I will know what I will do, but I'm not promising anything. I'll be here about
something, eh? Anyway, I know you will make a decision.
I'm here to tell you nonsense.
Oh, I got here not too long.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow, look at you. You look beautiful, gorgeous as ever.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. You too. I mean, you're not looking bad yourself.
Oh, let me. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at you.
Please sit.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
You know, that's how we roll over there. Yeah. Okay, I got you a gift, you know. Just to show how I feel for you. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This
like
is
it?
beautiful. I love it.
Nice. Can I help you?
I love it. Sure.
Take life now, waiting Dixon believer. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, yeah, send me your account number, make I wire you. My container, not out. I'm off.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
I'm off alone. Billion, now why for that? No, what does he go Dixon? I call back on this. If any no make women not one, I see you. Fake life,
No. I'll be in the front. You stay at the back.
Is he going with us?
Oh, yes. My father said he should not let me out of his sight. So he's practically my bodyguard. Let's go. Get in.
Okay.
Can we go?
Yes, of course.
Dixon Enterprises, alright. Dixon no get money, but better thing they Hungarian. Dixon no get motor, but motor they Hungarian. I borrow now waiting Dixon they do. Change fake life now waiting Dixon believe. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. I borrow now waiting Dixon they do. Change fake life now waiting Dixon believe. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh, yeah, send me your account number, make I
Today, sit with us.
Princess, I want us to talk.
Go ahead and talk.
Ndudi, please, can you excuse us?
Oh no, Ndudi is my friend. He stays with us. He's like family to me, you know.
Princess, I know, but we need to talk about us. I need privacy, okay? We need to talk about you and I. To talk.
Come on. Go ahead and talk. I'm listening.
Ndudi, can you please excuse us? Please.
I'm following instructions.
Osimone, full instruction. From who? Eh? Princess, can you please tell him to leave?
Ndudi stays. He stays. Talk, I'm listening.
I need him bankata now, Princess. Eh? Tell him to leave. Okay, we want to see about who.
Dixon, just go ahead and talk.
That's rubbish now. Yeah, rubbish now. Tell him, yeah, let's talk. You're telling me to. There's no respect anymore. Okay, any full instruction, right? Okay. Hey, shh. Who's swear by it? Make people swear now. Okay. Body.
My princess, if you ask me, I will say let me run and beg him more. You know we didn't come with any car.
You're right.
Let me just rush and beg him. Let me follow that instruction.
Take him away! My wife just went to bed. Your wife don't go to bed. I beg you, I will return your clothes. Listen, sir, you need to lock this man off. Sir, please. You are not well, sir. Take him away! Go, stand up.
Please take the bag to the car.
Okay.
Ndudi.
Huh?
Thank you very much for yesterday. I appreciate it.
It's okay, but don't mention. You're welcome. I'll be in the car.
Hello there.
Papa, he bewitched her. Now she cannot do anything without him. That could have been me going out with the princess. Yeah? We're supposed to be planning our future together. Now, Ndude has ruined everything. Ndude has ruined everything for me.
Oh, Dixon. My brother Emenike and his son has betrayed us. We shouldn't have trusted them in the first place. We gave them ourselves, and if they drew that opportunity and struck. Today, look at it.
Papa.
Are we not as helpless itself?
Papa, I am going to kill Ndude. I am going to squeeze life out of him. I am going to smash his head. Papa, my peri obalangata. Papa, what I will do today, you will regret his life.
I will support you to the last level.
Papa, ma wunye milina njinu Ndude. Ma wanya milina nte.
Listen.
Papa, mumuli kukutinyo mfuye kukuli.
I said I will take it up from here. Leave everything for me to do. I will take it up here. I will show Emenike, my brother, that he cannot possibly be within me. I've been planning to kill me. Eh? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Oh.
Since ever we were children, Emenike has been stepping on my toes. But this time around, I will not give him.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Papa, enough is enough.
I will kill them myself. I will spare your
cannot today be toiling with slide.
Forget about them. Leave the whole fight for me. I will fight the fight myself. I don't need any help. I don't even want you to waste your strength. Even one bit. Wrap up the fight for me to do. Don't you trust me? Man? I said leave the fight. I will fight the fight myself. Dixon, where are you going? I said leave the fight for me. I will do the fighting while you do the relaxing. Dixon, did you hear me at all? I said come and relax, let me do the fighting. Dixon, you don't know the tactics at all, how to fight. There is difference between village fight and the city fight. Leave the fight for me. I will do, your father. I will do the fighting while you do the relaxing. That's what I said. Okay, go back and back.
Who do they think they are? My son will not be enslaved to them forever. They should allow the princess to choose whomsoever she wants to be with.
I've known Dixon to be as troublesome as his father Ubaka. Ubaka from our childhood has been a troublemaker. I told him to his face that any day he will invite me to his house to vomit such thing, I will give him the insult of his life.
I don't know why they as in, it's crazy. It's crazy. Mama.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just tired.
It's better you go inside and rest.
How dare you? How dare you stab me at my back? How dare you?
Dixon, I did not do anything to you. I did not stab
you. Did not do anything to me?
Yes.
Yeah? You did not? Yeah? One on this boy. Because I'm going to deal with him. By the time I finish with you, you will regret ever being born in this life. Okay? Oh, you were going to go to stab me at my back.
Dixon,
Dixon, you cannot. Dixon, you cannot do anything. Look at this fool. Is it because I'm keeping quiet? Is it because I'm keeping quiet? Wait, because I'm. What I'm saying. Look at this. Look at this. Allow him to go. Look at this fool.
Let him go. Let him carry his trouble and go.
Can you get? No, my son, what kind of Mama Chelego Chichego?
Wait.
Never complained of any sickness before I left him. He was strong.
Just try to be strong for me, okay? Stop crying. See, if you suspect anyone about this, maybe we can get a detective to investigate it, okay? But I want you to be strong for me.
I seen na nwata mara eboso Amaria. The princess is very ready to assume the throne. She has been consecrated for this purpose. Yes.
Well spoken, Obaka. No, the princess is not ready yet. She still has a lot to learn. This princess should be given time to get used to our tradition and culture before being crowned. Why are we rushing these things?
I am asking you, why are we here? It is our duty to guide the princess, and not for you to stand against it and start contesting. There is no need for that.
Obaka is right. We can't leave the throne vacant. That's why the late king prepared her for this task.
I am surprised that this is coming from the mouth of elders, the so-called elders. The princess is simply not ready. She needs time to be groomed to the position she's going to assume. Period.
Hey, Menike, if you don't know anything else to say, shut up. Yes, I said shut up. Do you think everyone seated here is like you that cannot define your left from right? Oh, you think everybody's a dullard? Please, next time don't come here in a council with your foolishness. Better keep it down there in your record house. Are you hearing me? If not because you are my elder brother, I know what to do. We are discussing a matter that is bringing an uprising in the society and in the community at large. And you are here telling us that the princess that has been consecrated for this throne even before her father was alive is not ready. Are you sick in the head? I am asking.
Obaka.
Are you sick in the head?
Oh, you come here to insult me? Oh, Obaka, you come here to insult me?
It's obvious. Oh, if I insult you, what will you do? Oh, you will possibly fight. Or will you steal from me like your son Undode did to my son?
That I'm stealing from you?
Yes!
You are calling me a thief! More! You are calling me a thief! You are calling me a thief! Hey! You are calling me a thief! Stop! Stop this! No! You know what he said? I'm a thief! A tattooed man! Hey! You back! If not that you are my brother, hey! What will you do? Oh no, he's standing up. What is wrong with you? Go and sit down. Oh no, Malo, hey! This! Hey! Listen to me, both of you. Goodbye. And listen to you. Hey! We're here discussing on how to move this community forward. And you bring your stupid and idiotic family issues here. Excuse me, I'm still standing. Listen, if this persists, both of you will not only be fined, but banned from attending these council meetings. I assure you of that. I have spoken. Let this be the last time I will take this from you. Let's do the stop. No!
Oh no, if not because
stop!
he stood from his seat, he came here to fight. He would have challenged me for a fight. If not because you are here.
Stop!
It's alright.
I did not do it. I did not kill the king. I can't possibly kill the king. Why?
Hey, shut up, my friend.
He was good to me. I did not do it.
Shut up. Just shut up. Who did it then? Bury me. Onyori. You are the only one with him when he died.
Dixon, you know me too well that I can't kill.
Dixon, who? Then who did? Criminal. Who did? Where were you? You were the last person with him before he died. Quick, talk to say the truth.
I didn't kill the king. I did it, my princess.
Silly.
Dodi, after everything I did for you, how much I trusted you, and you killed my father.
My princess, I did it. I swear with everything in me, I did it. I only served him juice.
Oh, only juice on who?
I didn't do it.
Why didn't you go with her? I wanted to take good care of the princess.
My king, she insisted I stay with you since you're not feeling too well.
Oh, come off it. I'm fine. Her security is paramount to me.
Okay, but she's fine, Your Highness. If you don't mind, can I take you to the hospital to see your doctor?
No. My appointment with my doctor is tomorrow. Get me something to drink.
This is the king's juice? Yes. Okay, ask him to bring it. Your Majesty, you look tired. Can I take you to your room?
No. Go to your house. When I need you, I'll call you.
That was it. Dixon, you of all people should know that your brother cannot kill.
I did not know anything. I'm not anything. Who did? You're the only one who has selfish interest, seeking to reap from where he did not sow. Argument. How is because of him, no.
Oh my
God. You planned it and you did it.
Please help me talk to her, please. I did not do it. I did not
grab this idiot to my car.
Please, Rita.
When you get to the police station, explain.
Rita, please, Rita.
Grab it to the car.
Rita, please. Oh my God. Rita, please. Rita, please. Rita, please. Just let me talk to her. I did not kill the king. I did not kill the king. Hey, I did not do it. I did not do it. Oh my God.
What? You know he's innocent. You should prove that to the police. Oh my God. Are you going to stand by and watch an innocent poor man pay for a sin he did not commit while the real criminal walk free?
He's a suspect. Let the police do their job. I'm confused. I don't even know what to think anymore. I don't know who to trust anymore.
I just hope he won't end up regretting this. Because that boy is innocent. Chibogo, don't be blinded.
Baba, I told him, it's just a matter of time. Kama will catch up with him. I told him, this is just the beginning of it. This is just the beginning. And I will make sure he will not come out of this anytime soon.
Good.
Nonsense.
Dixon, you are my son. I want you to also think along one angle. In as much as you want Ndodi to suffer very well for what he did to you, I want you to also use the opportunity to win the princess over to yourself. Be her companion, and a shoulder to lean on. Get close to her, interface, interpose, fill the gap, crisscross and crossover. That is the way to do it. It is called strategy.
I never thought about all this. I think you're right.
Oh, because your heart is already filled with anger and rage. This is what we call strategizing. When you strategize, you strike. So what do you think I was called Obaka, the top gun, way back when I was little child? Obaka, the top gun. I never miss my target. Boom! I strike. Opportunity for you for the princess to be together. Pichikom. And then I will start enjoying myself. I'll be an in-law to the royal family. We put anger and rage and plan, strategize. We call it strategizing.
Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, no matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man. What will be. What will be, So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na gozigone. Onye chukwu bumiri no bunigone. You cannot stop a moving train. You can.
My people, it is time we prepare the princess to step into her father's shoes. We don't have to waste time.
Oh no, you have spoken well. Her father, when he was alive, has done the necessary rituals for the task ahead of her. The only thing left is that the princess is still single. Of course, every person understands the tradition of our land. A single woman cannot mount the throne. Yes.
My elders, Ubaka is right. The princess will get married before her coronation. A single woman cannot sit on the throne.
My fellow elders, why are we such in a hurry? Why are we trying to hurry the princess into marriage? Marriage is a life contract. Let's give her time. Allow her to this is natural thing. Allow her to get married. That's her own time.
I want to understand it. Are you saying that we should allow the throne to lie fallow? What happens to the throne? No, I'm asking you. Or we should allow the throne to lie fallow, waiting until the princess is with her husband. No, I don't understand. You clear us.
It's not what I'm saying, my brother. What I'm really saying is that Igwe has a brother. Let us allow him to assume the throne. Pending the time, the princess will be ready. No, are we saying this? Look, the princess is not yet ready. What if she has not found the man of her heart? I told you, I know your net.
Stop that! No, did she tell you that she have not gotten a husband for herself? Emenike, I have always warned you, or rather this is a piece of advice. Don't leave your sense at home. Always bring it to the council. The whole world is aware of the beauty of our princess. She's not looking for a husband. Neither is she publicizing for a husband. Everyone that passes her will be attracted to her. Besides, if she's looking for a husband, I will back her. I will provide one for her. It is my duty to provide one for her. Her husband is standing very close to her. She's not looking for a husband. For your information, because I know what your targets are, but it will not work for you. That is why I advise you, come with your brain. Oh, no. Don't leave it at home.
It's okay.
Stop blowing for fire. Shadow. You just smell a shadow. I know you. Oh
no. She's coming.
Okay. Oh. Good day, my princess.
Good day, Inspector.
Thank you.
Any update?
Yes. After thorough investigation, we think there may be another suspect.
Who?
Sorry, princess. I can't disclose that for now due to security reasons.
Good day, my princess. My princess, please. My son is innocent. My son did not do it. He did not do what he is being accused of. I can swear with my life.
Just get up. Go home. I'll send words across. Excuse us. So, Inspector, what are you saying?
We're doing our work. That's why I'm here.
That is what I want to know. Who could it be? We have another suspect. The police think someone else may have also planned to kill the king.
That's nonsense. Who would ever want to kill the king, if not Ndudi?
But why? What does he stand to gain?
Obviously, he has his eyes on you. Maybe thinking if the king dies, you will marry him. Or he has something, he has some hidden agenda. Yeah. Or anything, I don't know.
You know, nothing makes sense to me anymore.
See, I do not want you to beat yourself too hard, okay? Come on. What if I take you out for lunch?
Oh.
Please, please, I do not want you to say no. I just want to give you a treat.
Dixon, you know I am mourning. I'm not in the mood to go out.
Please.
Okay.
Chinwe.
Speak!
For the last time, who killed the Igwe? Speak up!
I will say the truth, I will say the truth. Please don't make me such a please, I beg you, please.
have not done this before. I am scared. Luchy, I don't think I will help you out.
No, now. Eh? Of all the favors I've been asking you, I've not asked you this kind of favor before. Eh? You know now, you know how to run things. Please just help me. This one, just this one. Nico.
I'm scared.
You're scared? Yes. Don't be scared. Okay, wait. Let me make you a proposal. Eh? As soon as I become the king, you will be my lord. I'll make you my queen. You know now you are serving at the palace. You serve people. Now you will be served. Anytime you are passing, you pass lord normally move. You understand? You will be moving. Then everybody will bow before you. You understand? You see, this is a lifetime opportunity. Don't miss it.
Luchy, what about the princess? She has been consecrated to take over when the king dies.
Leave that one for me. I will take care of that. You understand? See, take. Listen, look. Just put small in his drink or food. Just small. You understand? And don't let anybody see you when you are putting it on. Because the way this medicine works, it will enter the body slowly. So he will just go slowly. You understand? My queen. Act like a queen now. You're already a queen now. So
I'm
scared.
I'm scared.
My queen.
That's what happened. I'm saying the truth. Please don't put me in such a jail. Please, I beg you. It's better, please. Please don't.
Are you sure that was what happened?
I swear with my life that's what happened. I swear. Inspector! Hey!
Move! Did I kill you? I didn't. Move! I didn't do it. I'm innocent.
Papa?
Chief, don't waste our time here, please. I'm innocent. I didn't do it.
Am I
I didn't kill the king.
Am I lawyer?
Look at his face, wicked man.
Move!
Papa, did you do it?
Let them take you. You want to go there, let them take all of you. So Papa is this devilish.
He did not do it.
Papa was so cold. Nah, I didn't know he planned to kill the king. He did not do it. Did you?
Papa, come and whisper to my ear.
If Papa did not do it, did you do it?
He did not kill the king.
By the second born.
Call your lawyer. We win this case.
Call your lawyer. Call your own lawyer. You have lawyers. Carry on us and go and share police people. They will leave Papa. People should leave me alone.
But they cannot leave
I'm not happy.
Like that. Now let's go there.
Papa
now.
killed Igwe that promised to give me money. And you expect me to be happy. If not because he is my father.
Papa, don't worry. Don't worry. We are coming.
I'll kill him too.
Papa, don't worry. We are coming. We are going to bail you out from there.
You're the
Let's
first
go.
born. Wake
Call your
up
lawyer.
now.
Call your lawyer.
Look at him now.
Call your lawyer.
King, he did not become. Police is entering police. When I was shouting, the people say, I was talking rubbish.
Let's go.
Leave me alone. Where am I even going? Let me know if you...
Okay,
Adam will still accept
we are going to the station, right?
I'm going to Adam.
Yeah, and we'll go to get...
Don't worry, my son. I will take care of it, okay?
Welcome, my princess.
Thank you.
Welcome, my princess.
Thank you, ma.
Welcome.
Njodi, I came to let you know that you can resume work at the palace tomorrow.
I don't want to work in the palace anymore.
Yes. My son will no longer work at the palace. I will not allow that. Not at all.
Ndudi, can I see you for a minute? Please?
What will be. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man. What will be. What will be. Oh. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri na gozigone. Onye chukwu buniri no bunigone.
Ndudi, I came to personally apologize to you for what happened. Please forgive me.
Princess, you of all people should.
You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop the river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed.
That fool has been released. They've released him, he's out. He should have rotted in jail. Why did he come out now? Why?
Dixon, Biko Mom, you have to calm down. Oh? Do not get yourself worked up. It's no good. You know?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Only when I thought that the battle is over, he came out.
It doesn't make any change. Huh?
Why it does? It does. Because as long as Ndude is free, walking freely, my chances of winning the princess is slim. I am almost close getting the princess. Mama, I am going to kill him. Huh? This time around is for real. I am going to kill him myself. Mama Tobuya.
Dixon, no, Dick. Yeah, all of you are kicking. Dick, Dixon, get back to you. Listen to me.
Your son, Ndude, will not marry the princess, whether you like it or not. You think we don't understand the scheming? He is a schemer. That is why he has been trying by every means necessary to pull the princess to himself. But it will not work. It has never worked. But it will not work here.
Yes. Liar! Huh? Liar! The princess is never in love with your son.
Hey! Look at them.
He's my son. She loves.
Who in this village does not understand the relationship between my son Dixon and the princess? Tell me who in this village, except the person is born yesterday. But as long as the person is still living here in this village, everybody understands their relationship. So sit down where you are. Sit down.
They have never been dating. They are not dating. Huh? They are not dating.
Shut up, let me hear you.
Look at him.
Your son, Ndude, shut up, let me tell you something. Your son, Ndude, is more or less like a chaperone. Somebody who takes care of the princess. Wherever the princess moves, he follows suit. While the princess is in safe hand, he's ready for my son. That is what it means. A chaperone is equivalent to a chameleon. That's who your son is, Ndude. But we are all watching. Nothing is going to happen. He is just doing his duty, a good servant, prepared to do his job for my son to do the main thing.
And that is when the princess fell in love with my son, handsome boy. You know the boy now.
Excuse me. Obaka, Eminike. Is this what all these bickerings and stupid show of shame by the two of you is all about?
No.
Excuse me, I'm
you don't want my son to
quiet.
Their son to marry the lady.
Don't interrupt me. I'm ashamed of the two of you. The princess is here with us. She will be allowed to choose who she will marry. And all this nonsense has to stop. You don't bring your stupidity into this council. You don't wash your dirtiness in public.
You You are saying as if you don't, and you are not aware. You are in this palace. She has already chosen my son. Dixon. That is what. Don't say what. Don't say what. Don't say what. I'll say what. Come on. I do not care what we say. You push me down. You push me down. I do not care what we say. Don't push me down.
Chi, I seriously hope you do not regret this in the future. Dixon is not the one for you. Ndode is.
Rita, I have known Dixon all my life. Dixon and I have come a long way. Moreover, he's a nice person.
And who is talking about being nice here? We're talking about a lifetime baby girl. Listen, the question should be, is he good for husband? Hello?
Rita, you don't like Dixon at all. You seem not to like anything about him. Is there something I need to know?
How? I don't like Dixon. No way, baby girl. I like everybody. Listen, I'm only trying to be a friend. That's all. Listen, at the end of the day, you have the final say. So, go ahead and take your decision. I was just trying to be a good friend to you.
My father told me about the elder's decision. What do you think? What are you going to do?
I'm going through a lot right now. This is hard for me. It is hard for me. It's so tough.
My princess, what is tough? You know how much I love you. You are the only woman in my life, my princess. Come on. But my princess, I will give anything for you. Anything. Please.
Pick your call.
My princess, this call is not important to me right now. You are the most important in my life now. My princess, please. Please marry me. Please. Please, my princess.
This is hard for me. This is so hard for me.
My princess?
My fellow elders, you all know why we are here.
Oh, yes. You know.
Princess, Ndore here and Dixon have been having problems in this kingdom because of you. The two elders here have been having troubles. Ndore said you are in love with him. Dixon here said you are in love with him. We want you to help us to end this problem in this kingdom. We want to find out who are you in love with among these two.
Why are you asking her? Are you not seeing how united they are? They are united closely. Is a prospective chief bridesmaid.
Allow her to answer. Allow her to answer.
Why will you be asking some questions when you think how to sit down? Allow her.
Brother! Officer, please, that's the criminal. That's the criminal that told my car.
Hey! Dixon has...
That's him!
Huh?
That's him.
No, I am not
Mr.
a criminal.
Dixon. Mr. Man, you are under arrest. Hey. Anything you say or do here will get you out of law.
He's my son.
You think I will not find you?
He's my son. He's my son. What did you say he did? He's a CEO, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises. He cannot sell cars. It's his boss that sells cars.
Oga, your son here is my mechanic in the city. Ordinary mechanic. I gave him my car to service, and he ran away with it. Look at him here. Criminal!
Dixon, Dixon, what? Dixon, look at what you did to me. What did I do to you?
You people are wasting my time here.
What do you mean?
Arrest this man!
Do you know what they did to me? I told you all these things. I look at where you're landing, and I told you I married a new wife. Dixon, what did I do to you?
I will explain.
Dixon, is this true?
Oh, my princess.
I told you. I warned you about this guy. This guy is nothing but an absolute fraud. Yes, that's what you are. A common crook.
Me crook?
Shame on you, Dixon.
Look at you. Look at you. You've been asking me out and I refused.
Me?
When you knew that I was dating the princess.
Oh my God.
When you knew that I wanted to marry the princess. Baby ballroom tea. Baby ballroom coffee. More. Dixon drink. Dixon honey. You know I tell him. You think I don't know what you're doing. You are doing.
Arrest this man! Arrest him! Don't give me my time. I'm wasting my time. Guys, let's go. Arrest him. Go, Peter.
Princess, listen to me. This guy is a bloody liar. Do not listen to him. He's trying to set me up right now. You know you are like a sister to me. I can never intentionally want to hurt you. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean it that way. I was only trying to protect you, honest to God. Please, don't believe him. Oh. He's trying to scatter our relationship. Oh. Please.
Before you fight, make sure you fight it to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, will be. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, will be. What will be, will be. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri, no gozigone. Onye chukwu buri, no bunigone. You cannot stop a moving train. You cannot stop the river from flowing. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. Before you fight, make sure you fight to the end. Before you dance, make sure your shoes are strong enough. Cause the fight of destiny is not an easy battle. Destiny can only be delayed, and destiny can never be changed. No matter the fight, no matter the challenges, it will be. What will be, will be. No matter the circumstances surrounding the destiny of a man, what will be, will be. What will be, will be. So why are you fighting your fellow man? Done nothing to you. Onye chukwu goziri, no gozigone. Onye chukwu buri,